Students, in this video we will learn about use of data validation in Microsoft Excel. Then what is the work of data validation? Data validation is used to restrict the shell entries within a specified range. Students, here is data of 5 students. Their roll number has been given, marks has been given in English, Hindi, Maths, Science and total. What is the use of data validation here? So students, here imagine any students can't obtain in any subjects more than 100 marks. Okay students, in each subject their marks is equal to 100 but not greater than 100, and their marks when we are entering, that is not less than 0. That means their marks will be not in minus. So that is the restriction of the shell here, that is the range of this value where we can give, that is 0 to 100. That means we can give here marks 0 to 100. Students, here I have to add 5 more records in this one. That means I will add 5 more students record here, and I have to give the numbers also. So in this one we are going to use data validation that will provide us to work with such type of restriction, and if we are entering any type of wrong record, it will stop them and it will give error that record. If it is not under that condition, that is wrong. Okay students, we are going to do that one, use of data validation. So I am selecting this one. Okay, and these fields only English, Hindi, Maths and Science. So in data tab we are going to here add data validation. After then click here and click on data validation. We are getting such a setting tab, data validation dialog box. First tab is setting tab. Here we can write value. Actually we will have to add here numbers. So whole numbers we will choose because we will have to give number from 0 to 100. Okay students, we are clicking on whole numbers. After then we are getting here it is giving minimum number, or minimum number is 0 and maximum number is 100. Okay students, after then we are clicking the next tab, that is input message. Here we are writing or typing only validation. Okay students, after then here we are giving message, input message, just like it will show, for that greater than and equal to 0. Okay, and less than or equal to 100. This message it will display. Okay students, after then we are going in error alert. So here 3 options are available. You can choose anyone. I am selecting this one only, stop. In error message we will enter a message just like input is wrong. Okay students, after then click OK. Now you can see in remaining cell this data validation is feature is applied. Now I am entering the record, that is roll number 6, and that is record of students name is Pawan. Okay, after then his marks is 65, 58. Students, I am going to enter one wrong record. We are going to see that what is the output. When I am writing 102, then it will show, you can see input is wrong, that means retry. This is the benefit of data validation. That means if we are entering the, by mistake we are entering the wrong record, it will show the message to retry or correct it. Input is wrong, it is showing. So I am changing it and entering the different number. Okay students, after then enter, you can get total. Another record I am entering here for minus number, that is Rohit, and here I am giving 88, 75, and in this one I am entering minus 5. When pressing tab button, it will not accept that record because it is less than 0. Okay students, so here it is giving message to retry or correct it. So we are correcting this one. Okay students, by this way we can use the data validation feature that is provided by MS Excel, and it is very helpful when we are entering the data and when we are applying this one. So the chances of error will be